I bought needle felting starter kits when making my Rilakuma ring box, and had a few ideas to use them on other characters. On the occasion of the new Pixar movie Inside Out 2, I decided to create one of the characters. I chose the new one, Anxiety, because it is an unfortunately very familiar emotion. I use all my projects as an excuse to learn something new and experiment. I have a vague plan and will problem solve whatever comes up. This technique is new to me, but it boils down to stabbing wool with a special needle thousands of times. I want to pose its limbs later, so I use these fluffy wires as an armature. I often hit the metal and need to be cautious not to break the needle. That is why I prepare pieces of material on foam with 4 needles at a time. At this point, I realized if arms are so thick, the figure will be too large, and that means lots of stabbing. I will use this as body instead. I also noticed the wire is soft, so I twisted 2 of them together. I sped up the video to 5x speed so it is less boring. It makes this ASMR sound, so I will let you enjoy it without me talking. I discovered this technique when I saw the realistic animals people make. I always wanted to try it as one of my future projects. This relatively quick figurine helps me understand the process and practice. It may also help with real anxiety. I found joy in this repetitive movement, and I feel relaxed and focused after a few finger punctures. It is a nice change from all my other projects that require sanding plastic. Working with wool is a much healthier option. I will link the kits I use if you want to try it yourself. My small pack of orange wool may not be enough, so I used a different color for the inside of Anxiety's head. Later, I discovered it was a good call because I used every fiber of it. No glue is required because needle drags the fibers and tangle them together. I was surprised how strong connection it is when I tried to remove a piece. Here's a test of mixing the colors to paint some highlights. I used all my orange wool, so I will paint its hair with acrylics after dipping them in PVA glue. At this point, I want to make and record another new character from Inside Out too. Envy. Let me know if you like this idea in my video in comments. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.